Ever wondered which wine pairs best with your favorite cheese? Or perhaps what red or white to serve with your signature roast? Welcome to the intriguing world of wine and food pairing, an art that marries the right flavors and textures, enhancing your overall dining experience. The essence of pairing lies in balance. A robust red wine might overpower a delicate fish, while a light white may fall flat against a hearty steak. That's where the two basic rules of wine pairing come into play. Rule 1. Pair white wines with lighter foods like fish or chicken. Rule 2. Go for red wines when you're serving heavier foods like red meat or rich sauces. It's all about complementing and contrasting flavors to create a harmonious dining experience. So the next time you plan a meal, remember, the right wine can make it a gourmet experience. But the world of wine is not just red and white. There's more to explore and enjoy. Let's delve into the specifics of pairing. Imagine a creamy, buttery Chardonnay, its rich layers of flavor unfolding in your mouth. Now, pair that with a dish of rich seafood, perhaps a buttery lobster or a creamy scallop risotto. The wine and the food complement each other, each one enhancing the other's taste. Now picture a spicy Shiraz, its bold flavors dancing on your tongue. Pair it with a dish of grilled meats, perhaps a smoky barbecued steak or a spicy sausage. The robust flavor of the Shiraz stands up to the strong flavors of the meat, creating a harmonious combination. Consider the acidity of a Sauvignon Blanc, its crisp freshness cutting through the richness of a tangy goat cheese. The wine acts as a palate cleanser, refreshing your taste buds and preparing them for the next bite. Remember, the perfect pairing is about balancing flavors, not overpowering them. Wine and food pairing is not just about rules, it's about pleasure. And pleasure, my friends, is a deeply personal thing. It's about pushing boundaries, trying new things, and creating your own traditions. So I encourage you, yes you, to experiment with pairings. Take a bottle of your favorite wine or perhaps one you've been curious about and pair it with your go-to dishes. See how the flavors dance on your palate, how they complement or contrast each other. You might surprise yourself with the combinations you come to love. Remember, there's no wrong answer in this game of taste. Whether you're a fan of bold reds with sharp cheeses or light whites with delicate fruits, your preference takes precedence over any traditional rules. This is your journey to savor and enjoy. So uncork that bottle, slice that cheese, and embark on your own journey of wine and food pairing. Cheers.